what's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about video online application, forgot password, and forgot username. So ano nga ba yung dapat yung gawin guys kapag nakalimutan ninyo yung password at saka username ninyo sa video online application? Yung sinasabi ko is kung paano kayo makalogin doon. Of course, di ba hinahanapan kayo ng username at saka password before kayo makapag-login. Kailangan nyo talaga ma-access yun guys. It's because alam nyo naman nandun yung credit cards, yung savings account natin, at saka yung personal loans. So kailangan natin makita yung transactions para natin malaman agad kung may unauthorized transactions ba sa credit card at saka sa savings account ninyo. Kaya naman kailangan talaga na-access nyo lagi ang video online. Kaya naman ngayon sa vlog na ito is share ko sa inyo yung gagawin nyo kapag nakalimutan nyo yung password at saka yung username. Kasi hindi talaga kayo makakapag-login kapag hindi nyo alam ang isa dyan. Kahit ito man ay username or password lamang. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So, uunahin ko muna guys kung ano yung dapat nyong gawin para ma-reset yung password. Next ko na lang yung username. So, ngayon guys, to reset your video online password or video online banking password, go to the video online banking login page or open the video online app or application and select forgot your password, ? Or need help logging in. Yan yung makikita nyo guys kapag inopen ninyo yung video online application. Enter your user ID, the last 4 digits of your account and card, and verify with the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. So ito guys, kailangan ko munang unahin to. I would like to emphasize yung OTP. Kapag hindi nyo ma-access yung registered mobile number doon at saka yung email na nilagay ninyo nung nag-apply kayo ng credit card or nag-open kayo ng savings account sa BDO, yun lang talaga ang problema. Kailangan yung tumawag sa video customer service para magpa-update. Pero ngayon kung okay naman, na-access niyo yung email at saka yung mobile number na nakalink doon, much better. Mas mapapabilis yung pag-reset ng password at saka pag-retrieve ng video online banking username and password ninyo. Ngayon, as you can see guys here, ito yung steps. Steps to reset video password. Access, go to video online or app or video online website. Pwede rin via video online website guys. Pero much better sa video online application. Ngayon, nandito yung video online. Since pareho lang naman yun guys, kapag nag-video online website kayo or video online application, same lang naman yung display nila. So ito yung example guys. Nakikita nyo, video online, username, password. Ngayon, click nyo yung need help logging in. Yan yung i-click nyo guys para mapunta kayo dito. Then next guys is navigate, tap forgot your password or need help logging in. Para mapunta kayo dito. What would you like to do? I'd like to get my username. I'd like to reset my password. Ano yung kaibahan ng dalawang yan? Halimbawa, yung nakalimutan nyo is yung password. So, yung kailangan nyo i-click is yung I'd like to reset my password. Mamaya, babalik tayo sa step na to kung username naman yung problema. Ngayon, password muna. I'd like to reset my password. Then, pangatlong step is verify your user ID and the last 4 digits of your enrolled debit card or savings or checking account. Then, nandito nakikita nyo guys, let's reset your password. Enter your username and last 4 digits of your account or card number. So, as you can see guys, this is to verify your identity. Enter your username and last 4 digits of your account or card number. Siguro naman aware kayo na may account number kayo sa BDO. Ngayon, kung alin yung mas convenient sa inyo, kung ito ba ay last 4 digits ng account number ninyo or yung card number. Alam nyo naman siguro yung kaibahan. Yung card number is yung debit card, di ba? May debit card kayo, yung ginagamit nyo pag nag-withdraw kayo, pag nagbayad, ganyan. Tapos yung 4 digits naman ng account number is kung saan doon pinapasok yung pera. Pili na lang kayo kung alin yung mas convenient sa inyo. Last 4 digits. Yung huling 4 na digits, no? Then, ilalagay ninyo yung username ninyo. Then, yung last 4 digit kung ano yung mas convenient nga kayo tulad ng sabi ko. Then, OTP. Enter the one-time PIN OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Ito na yung crucial part. So, dapat na-access ninyo, of course, yung mobile number ninyo. Kasi doon ipapadala yung verification kapag na-enter na ninyo yung hinahanap nila. Enter the one-time PIN. Pagka-enter ninyo, dediretso kayo ngayon sa 5th step, which is yung new password. Create and confirm your new password. So ngayon, nakalagay dito is create and confirm. Kasi pagkalagay ninyo, ilalagay naman doon kung ano yung dapat nyong ilagay. Kailangan talaga may number, may special character, at saka yon. Pag na-click na ninyo na confirm, parehas naman okay. Pagka-reset na, lalabas doon yung congratulations, your password has been changed. Ngayon, pwede na kayo mag-login using that new password after 1 to 2 hours, as you can see. Important notes is wait time. After a successful reset, you may need to wait 1 to 2 hours to log into the app. Then app versus website. Kasi kung sa website kayo, kung ayaw nyo talaga sa application, password changes made in the new video online application may not reflect on the old website or older app version. So ito yung kailangan nyo malaman kapag ginamit niyo nag-change password ko sa new video online, hindi ito magre-reflect sa old website. Pero ngayon, don't worry guys kasi same na sila. So meaning, magpa-function na siya pareho. Support. If you're locked out or need help, contact the video call center at 632-888-8000. Kapag pinilit nyo talaga na mali yung password, yun ang problema. Malalock yung access ninyo. Ngayon, since na-lock niya, kailangan na ninyong tumawag sa video customer service para humingi ng tulong. Kaya naman kung hindi talaga maalala yung password, huwag mo nang pilitin. Mag-reset password ka na. Then yeah, let's move on to retrieving your username sa video online. So paano nga ba ma-retrieve yung username sa video online banking application? So as you can see, to recover a forgotten video online app username or video online application username, open the application, tap Need Help Logging In tulad ng ginawa nyo kanina sa Reset Password. On the Logging In page, and select I'd like to get my username. Enter your registered email address. Your username will be sent to you via email. So tulad na sa ginawa ko kanina, i-open niyo yung video online, hanapin niyo yung Need Help Logging In, then click niyo yung I'd like to get my username. Kasi di ba dalawa yung option yon kapag click niyo yung Need Help Logging In. What would you like to do? So I'd like to get my username since username yung kailangan yung ayusin. Then ngayon nakalagay as key steps for username recovery, personal banking. Method, use the Need Help Logging In feature on the app's login screen. Alternative is if you cannot access the application, you may need to call BDO 24/7 hotline at 632-888-0000 or visit the BDO branch for assistance. So ngayon kung hindi nyo talaga kaya gawin or do it yourself, kung may landline naman kayo, tumawag na lang kayo sa BDO Contact Center which is yung 488-480. Tapos kung may malapit naman na BDO branch, much better to visit na lang, no? Kasi may mga BDO teller naman doon na pwedeng mag-assist sa inyo. Tapos kung hindi din nila alam, since hindi naman sure talaga, kadalasan is pinapatawag na lang talaga sa BDO Contact Center. So doon na kayo makitawag, lalong-lalo na kung wala talaga kayong landline sa bahay. Yun lamang guys. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!